see how standard deviation can be calculated in Power BI. To get started, I'm gonna take stacked column chart, and then these are few names and their score. So what I'm going to do is create a reference line from here, which is going to be average. I want the data label to be turned on, and then I'll go to measures table, create a measure. So in standard deviation, luckily we have one text already added in Power BI. So I'm going to take stdev.p, and then I'm going to select the column that I need to get the standard deviation of. So it's gonna be score, and then let's put it here, turn it into a card. So what this number shows is that how far all the scores are from the average plot. So the lower the standard deviation is, that means that the closer the data points are to the average line. For example, in here, the average line is 84. If we take another example where in here, let's create another chart. It's gonna be name and test score. In here as well, I'm going to add a line. So I'm gonna create stacked bar chart and create this line. Here you can see that the average is same, even the sum of total score. Let's take it. If we check the sum of total score is same, and here if we check test score, it's same as well. So let's create standard deviation for this chart. It's going to be test column this time. Let's add it to the card. It shows 25.60. This shows how far it is from the average line, which is 84, how far the data points are. So this is how standard deviation can be calculated. When we checked, when we grabbed this stdv, it showed us couple of more examples. st yeah. Here, what is the difference between dot p and dot s? For example, if we have the full data set with us, it's gonna be stdev dot population. So means we have all the data that we need to create the calculation. If we are checking for, if we have only sample data set, for example, here we have only 10 names of the user. Let's say we have 50 users in total, but still we just have a sample data set. Then we can select dot s tdev dot s to gauge the calculation of that data set. There is a minor difference between the calculation. We can cover that in some other time. The other tools are just the iterative functions of it. For example, if you want to have a table to be calculated with all or all selected, you can use the same measures for with the x as suffix. It's gonna be